Hello children, how are you? Today we will continue with the chapter subtraction. In previous videos we had learned subtraction without regrouping, subtraction with regrouping. In this video we will learn verifying the answer. Verifying the answer means we will learn how to check that we have subtracted correctly or not. But before that, we will learn relation of addition and subtraction. Addition और subtraction आपस में कैसे related है पहले हम वो सीखेंगे. Suppose Mama brought 10 teddy bears, right? And out of those 10 teddy bears, Mama had gifted 4 to some of your friends. Right? So how many teddy bears are left now? 10 minus 4 is 6. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Same way, you have 6 teddy bears left now. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. That means Mama has gifted 4 teddy bears out of 10. Right? Now, after some days, Mama forgets that how many teddy bears she had brought. So she asks you, how many teddy bears were there in all? So you tell that Mama, 6 teddy bears are still with us and you had gifted 4 to my friends. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That means you had brought 10 teddy bears. So as you can see, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 and 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. And when we add 6 and 4, we get 10. So this is the relation between addition and subtraction. So to verify the answer, what do we need to do? हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा आंसर वेरीफाई करने को, आंसर चेक करने को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We can verify the answer by adding the difference of the number to the subtrahend. जो दो नंबर्स को माइनस करके हमारा आंसर आया, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफरेंस. उस डिफरेंस में जब हम सबट्रैहेंड को ऐड कर देंगे, जिस नंबर को माइनस किया गया था उस नंबर को डिफरेंस में जब हम ऐड कर देंगे, प्लस कर देंगे, एंड इफ वी गेट द मिनुएंड, उन दोनों को डिफरेंस और सबट्रैहेंड को प्लस करके अगर हमें मिनुएंड आंसर में मिलता है, then we have subtracted correctly. तो इसका मतलब हमने ठीक से subtract किया है. That means minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference, but difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. और अगर subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend, then we have subtracted correctly. Now let's understand it with the help of examples. Our question is subtract and check your answer by addition. And first question is 289 minus 108. So first of all we will subtract it. 289 minus 108. So first of all we will subtract ones place. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then we subtract tens place, 8 minus 0 is 8, and in the end we will subtract hundreds place, where we will do 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So here 289 is minuend, 108 is subtrahend, and 181 is difference. So now to check our answer, what will we do? We will add difference and subtrahend. That means we will add 181 and 108. 181 is difference and 108 is subtrahend. Let's add them. First of all, we will add ones place. That is 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Next, we will add tens place. 8 plus 0 is 8. And in the end, we will add hundreds place. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So, we have got the sum 289. 181 और 108 को प्लस करके हमें क्या आंसर मिला है 289, which is equal to the minuend. So, our subtraction is correct. क्योंकि हमारा प्लस करने के बाद जो आंसर आया है वो minuend के बराबर है, तो हमारा subtraction correct है. Now our next example is 814 minus 456. Now in this sum we will need to regroup when we will subtract it. So 814 minus 456, here 814 is minuend, 450 is subtrahend, and we have to find the difference. So 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we will borrow from tens. So after borrowing, 4 will become 14, and 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. And because we have borrowed from tens, so we are left with 0 tens. So now again we will need to borrow from hundreds. So when we borrow from hundreds, we will have 10 tens. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and because we had borrowed from hundreds, so we are left with 7 hundreds, and 7 minus 4 will be equal to 3. So after subtracting 814 and 456, we have got the difference 358. Now let's check our answer that we have subtracted correctly or not. For that, we will add the difference and the subtrahend. Our difference is 358 and subtrahend is 456. Let's add them and check whether we are getting minuend or not. So 358 plus 456, and this will also be regrouped. 8 plus 6 is 14. We will write 4 in ones place and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. So now we will add tens. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1 was carried over, so 10 plus 1, 11. We will write 1 in tens place and other one will be carried over to the hundreds place. Now we will add hundreds place. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 1 was carried over, so 7 plus 1, 8. So after adding 358 and 456, we have got 814, which is our minuend. 358 was the difference, 456 was the subtrahend, and after adding difference and the subtrahend, we have got the minuend, that is equal to 814. So that means our subtraction is correct again. Isn't it easy, children? So children, that's all for today. Now you have to complete exercise 3G in your book itself. Thank you.